M.A.S.K? No, I don't know anyone named M.A.S.K. I used to know somebody named Marvin, but he doesn't live around here.
Hello toy fans, welcome to another M.A.S.K video. The M.A.S.K toy line started in 1985. It was made by a company called Kenner.
Let's move it! We have some deliveries to make!
This is Switchblade, a helicopter that can transform into an airplane. And flying this beauty is Miles Mayhem, leader of Venom. Venom stands for Vicious Evil Network of Mayhem, and they are the arch enemy of the M.A.S.K team. In the world of M.A.S.K, both the good and the bad guys wear masks with special powers. The mask Miles Mayhem uses is called Viper.
Viper, fire!
Miles Mayhem's favorite choice of transport was his vehicle Switchblade. This is a closer look at the vehicle in helicopter mode.
I'll observe from the air in case anyone is in our way.
Let's put Miles Mayhem in the driver's seat. Or in his case, the pilot's seat. A cool feature in helicopter mode is that you can rotate the rotors. One of the most important gimmicks of this toy line was the transformation. So let's start by transforming Switchblade from helicopter to jet mode. Of course, the Switchblade comes with an arsenal of weapons in jet mode. 2 lasers in the middle and 2 lasers that go underneath the wings when you click up the landing gear. Besides the lasers, Switchblade is armed with a missile.
Let's see you outrun this!
This Hot Wheel has kindly volunteered to show you how the missile works. And that's my look at Switchblade and Miles Mayhem. I want to thank you all for watching and supporting the channel, and hope to see you on the next video.
Boy, I wish I knew how to fly this thing.